Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 235 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Garmin Connect application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app by tapping on the icon. In the application you should see the home page. Now tap on More, scroll down, find the Garmin devices and tap on it. Here find the Forerunner 235, select it. Now tap on the More Options icon in the top right corner, tap on Remove Device and tap on Remove. If you see this pop-up, you can tap on Settings. It will redirect you to the settings, but we need to go back. Tap on Bluetooth and here you should see the Forerunner 235. Now tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device and tap on Forget device to remove it. Okay, and at this point the watch is unpaired from our iPhone, and that's how you unpair this device from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.